Over 50, when you wake up in the morning, do your joints feel rusty and your body completely stiff? Don't force yourself into high-intensity workouts. Just spend 18 minutes with me doing this gentle Tai Chi flow to unlock your stiff joints, release deep aches, and safely burn belly fat. Let's melt away the stiffness and make your body feel 10 years younger. Now, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Bow stance palm push. Alternately push your palms to the front sides. Keep your front leg in a bow stance and straighten your back leg to feel a deep stretch. This helps lubricate your hips and gently burns belly fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Backward step with fluid arm openings. Step back with alternate feet, opening your arms smoothly backward and then returning them. This expands your chest area, melts morning stiffness, and revives your full body vitality. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Expanding wings with flowing gaze. Extend your arms flat to the sides, letting your head and gaze gently follow your hands. Keep your chest proud and breathe deeply to awaken your rusty neck joints. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Side step with dynamic palm push. Step side to side while rhythmically pushing both palms forward. This active dynamic flow is excellent for boosting your metabolism, melting morning lethargy, and burning belly fat safely. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Step touch with fluid elbow rotations. Touch step to the front side while bending your elbows to rotate them in large, smooth circles. This increases shoulder mobility, releases deep joint stiffness, and stimulates local blood circulation. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Hip twist with alternating arm push. Gently twist your hips as one arm pushes upward and the other presses downward alternately. This creates a gentle ringing effect to activate your core control and improve balance. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Side bend with toe touch. Gently bend sideways and reach your fingertips toward your toes. This stretches the side body, deeply lubricates the spine, and safely releases morning stiffness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Overhead interlocked side stretch. Stand tall, interlock your fingers overhead with palms flipped up and stretch side to side. This bends your torso smoothly and completely unlocks a stiff lower back. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Knee raise with torso twist. Raise your knees alternately while keeping your bent arms flat in front of your chest to twist your torso. This builds excellent balance and gently activates your core. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Straight leg kick with arm swings. Kick your legs forward alternately with a straight knee while swinging both arms backward. This active dynamic flow burns calories and quickly clears morning sluggishness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Backward step with arm circles. Step backward and diagonally into a steady bow stance while drawing large, smooth circles with your arms. This opens up your hips and deeply lubricates the shoulder joints. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 12. Hip twist with shoulder tapping. Twist your hips left and right, extending your arms forward. Then pull back to gently tap your neck and shoulders. This stimulates local blood circulation and melts away deep neck tension. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 13. Backward step with high reach. Step straight backward alternately into a steady bow stance while extending one arm straight up. This deeply elongates your spine and gently awakens your core stability. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 14. Mountain step with chest expansion. Keep a steady mountain climbing step below while opening your upper body wide for chest expansion. This releases deep lung tension and boosts morning circulation. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 15. Overhead extension with backward swing. Extend both arms straight overhead, then bend forward and swing them backward. Keep your front leg straight with the heel down. Back leg slightly bent to feel a deep stretch. This unlocks stiff hamstrings and improves lower back mobility. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 16. Hand on waist shoulder shrugs. Rest your hands gently on your waist while shrugging and releasing your shoulders. This instantly melts away chronic neck tightness and lubricates the shoulder blades. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 17. Rhythmic heel raises with arm swings. Swing your arms upward while raising your heels. Then swing downward while lifting your toes. This gentle flow pumps blood throughout your legs and improves ankle flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 18. Alternating large arm circles. Alternately draw a large, smooth circle with one arm from front to back. This deeply opens up the chest cavity and releases deep shoulder stiffness safely. Wonderful job today. You've beautifully unlocked your body. Which movement did your rusty joints enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Like and subscribe for daily morning relief. See you tomorrow.